بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Good afternoon, class 5. We are having midterm revision of exercise number 2B, in which we are studying the HCF. HCF, which stands for highest common factor. HCF stands for highest common factor. The whole exercise we are having highest common factor, and we are having different methods of finding HCF in the exercise. The very first, we are having a prime factorization. A method of HCF is prime factorization. We have to find out the HCF by using prime factorization method. Okay, what HCF means? HCF means if we are having two numbers or more than two numbers, we divide and we find the factors of those numbers. Like for example, we are having a number 12, and then another one we are having 28. Two numbers we are having 12 and 28. How do we find out the HCF? What we have to do, we divide or we take the LCM of the numbers. We find out the factors by using LCM. How can we solve it? We are having a question that find out the HCF by using prime factorization method of 12 and 28. How can we do it? First of all, we will take 12 and we will find out the factors of 12 by using LCM method. 12, how can we find out it? We are starting from the least number. For example, if we are having 12, means we can use 2, we can use 3, we can use 4, we can use 6 and 12. 12 could be divisible by all of these numbers 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. But when we take the LCM, we always start from the least number. We are having so many numbers which are divisible by more than 2 or 3 factors, okay, 3 numbers. But which numbers we should prefer, we always take or start from the least number, okay. We will first start from 2. If the number is not divisible by 2, then we go to the next number, which is 3. And if the number is not divisible by 3, then we go to the next one, which is 4. Okay, it is, you can say, step by step working, that we go to the digits one by one, right? Like from 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and then 3 1s are 3. Same as we will find out the factors of 28. For as write down 28 here. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14, and then 7 ones are 7. What we have to do next, we will write down the factors. Factors, how? 12 is equals to, these are the factors of 12, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Okay. Then we will write down the factors of 28, which is equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. Right? We have written the factors of 12. These are 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. And then we are having the factors of 28, which is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. After that, what we have to do? We have to write down the common factors. What we have to write down? Common factors. Common factors means the factors which are present in both the answers. Answer of the first number and the second number. Which is common? You can use your pencil to make the blocks. How many common numbers, common factors we have? We have two common factors, 2 and 2. Right? Then we will find out HCF. What HCF? HCF is equals to the product of all common factors. That means that we have to multiply the numbers of or all the values which we are having is a common factor. 2 2s are 4. It means that 4 is a value which can divide 12 and 28 both. Okay. So 4 is the highest common factor of both the numbers 12 and 28. Which method we have done here? It is a method of prime factorization, that we have find out the prime factors. Okay. Take a question. We are having, it is part A, question number 4, which is 64, 148, and the last we are having 60. We are having 3 numbers in this question, like 64, 148 and 60. What we have to do? We will do one by one the LCM of each number. Solution: 64. Find out the factors of 64. Starting from 2. As we have studied that we will always start from 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2, 1 will be carried, 2 6s are 12. Next 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and then we are having 2 1s are 2. Same as we will take out the LCM of 148. Right? 148. Starting from 2 again, 2 7s are 14 and 2 4s are 8. Then we are having 2 3s are 6, 1 carried, 2 7s are 14. And now we are having 37. And 37 is a prime number. Means that 37 is a number which is not divisible by another one. So 37 ones are 37. And next we are having, it is 60. Dividing by 2 we get 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, and then 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. What we have done? We have find out the factors of 64, 148 and 60. Next, what we have to do? We have to write down the common factors. What we have to do? We have to write down the common factors. In the end, we will write down common factors. First of all, factors. What are the factors? First of all, we will write down the factors of 64 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 we are having 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, and then last. Next we are having 148. Here we will write down 148, and the factors of 148 are 2 multiply by 2 and then 37. And the last we are having 60 is equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. And next we have to write down the common factors. What we have to write down? We have to write down the common factors, the factors which are present in all the answers. 1, 2, 3. We are having 3 answers here, and here we have to write down the common factors, the factors which are present in 3. 1, 2. If we see 3 is present just only in 60, and 5 is not present here, 37 is not present in any other answer. So we are having just only 2 common factors, 2 and 2. And the product of all the common factors is known as HCF, that we have to multiply all the factors in a common factor, which is 2 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. It is the answer. Highest common factor means we have to multiply the common factors, and after multiplication of common factors we will get the HCF, right? So it is the question number 4, in which you have to find out your answer, find out the HCF by using the method of prime factorization. Which method? Prime factorization. What are the prime factorization? These 2, 2, 2 and these values which we are getting after dividing, these are known as the prime factors. And after adding the prime factors, what we have to find out? We have to find out the common factors, and whatever the common factors do we have, we will multiply them all. We will get the HCF. Okay. Next question we are having, question number 5. In which we are having the prime factors of, find the HCF of A. Question number 5. We are having a question which is given as a prime factors for E in the groups of numbers. We are having 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Next we are having 2 multiply by 2, then we are having 3 and 5. Multiply by 3, multiply by 5. Next question we are having 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 11. We are having this question in the form of expression. It is a question, and how do we do the differentiate between the expression, that which are the factors of the first number or the second number or the third number. You can see we are having the multiplication symbol here, 1 2 3 3 multiplication symbols here. Okay. After that we are having a comma. Comma means it is these are the factors of first value, and after comma till the next one we are having the factors of second value, and these are the factors of third value. What are these? These are the prime factors. Okay. The question is already given in the form of prime factors. We have to find out just only HCF, and before HCF we will find out common factors. Okay. How can we write down it? We will write down the solution. Here we will write down the first value, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Second value we will write down under it, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Next we are having 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 11. Then what we have to write down? We have to write down the common factors. What we have to write down? We have to write down the common factors, the factors which are same in all the values. You can see that we are having 2 the pair of 3 digits 2, 2 and 2 in all the answers. This one we are having, and then you can see 2 is not present here, 3 is not present in another answer, but we are having 5 which is present in all the answers, right? It means we are having 3 common factors in this question. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 3 common factors, 2, 2 and 5. So the product of the common factors is equals to HCF. Means we have to multiply all the factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So what it is? It is the HCF. Okay, same as we will do the remaining 2 parts, we have to do the revision study of the remaining 2 parts of this question. Come to the next one. We are having the second method, which is known as the division method. Means we have to do the division, or by using division we have to find out the HCF, the highest common factor, with the help of HCF. What is that? We are having question number 6. It is using division method, find the HCF of the following numbers. Which method we have to use? We have to use a division method. Okay, we are having, we can see a part A, which is 39, 93 and 54. 3 values we are having in a question, which is 39, 93 and 54. What we have to do while using our division method? In our division method, we are having 2 values, the divisor and the dividend. The divisor, whatever we are writing inside this sign, is known as the dividend, and whatever we are writing out of the sign is known as the divisor. The divisor means the value which is dividing, okay, and dividend means the value which is to be divided, okay. So here we will take 2 values, first 2 numbers, okay, and after taking first 2 numbers, we have to take a smaller number as a divisor and the larger number or the greater number as a dividend, okay. Smaller number as a divisor and greater number as a dividend. We are taking the first 2 numbers. Here we are having 93, we are taking 93 as a dividend or 39 as a divisor, because 39 is less than 93, okay, or you can say 93 is greater than 39. Now what we have to do? We have to divide 93 by 39. We have to make a rough column here, okay. In our rough column, what we have to do? We have to find out, or we have to select a number by which multiplying by 39 we get 93. So 39 ones are 39 and 39 twos are, we will do the multiplication here, that 39 twos are, what do we get? 2 nines are 18, 8 will be here, 1 will be carried, 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7, 78. So here we will write down 39 twos are 78, okay. Then we will divide it, cancel it, or we will do the subtraction. After writing the value, what we have to do? We have to subtract 78 from 93. Here 8 could not be cancelled from 3 or 8 could not be subtracted from 3. So what we have to do? We will take 1 or borrow 1 from 9, 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5. And what left here? We were having 8 here. 8 minus 7 will be equals to 1. Okay. Now what do we have here? We are having 39 as a divisor. What do we have here? 15 as a dividend. If we see this situation, we can see that the divisor is greater and the dividend is smaller now. When we are having this type of situation, what we have to do, we will switch the question. Switch the question means what? Now this is a remainder. Remainder will become divisor and the divisor will become dividend. Okay, remainder will become divisor or the divisor will become dividend. Are you getting that? When we are having a situation in a question in which where we are having the divisor as a large number or the greater number and dividend is smaller, so what we do, we switch the question as remainder will become the divisor and the divisor will become the dividend. How we can do it? Right, like this, 15 and this 39 we will write down here. Okay, now what we have to do, we will divide 39 by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30 and 15 threes are 45. So what should we take? We will take 15 twos are 30. Right? Next we are having, after cancellation, 9 minus 0 will be equals to 9 and 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. Again we are having a situation that we are having 9 here and here we are having 15. So what we will do? We will again switch the question. This 15 will come here. Okay. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So what we will do? We will take 9 ones are 9 and then we are having 15 minus 9 will be equals to 6. We can solve it here. And then we will shift 9 here. What we will do now? 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 will be equals to 3 and then we will shift it again. 6, as 6 is greater than 3, it means the divisor is greater than the dividend. So here we will shift the question. Again we will take 6 here and 3 twos are 6. It has been cancelled. The value which is dividing the question completely, the number which is dividing the question completely is known as the HCF. Like we started from 39 and ended on 3. That 3 is a number which has divided it completely. We are not having any remainder now here. So it means what is 3? 3 is the HCF. Which method we have studied? We have studied the division method. But till that, one more thing we have to do, we just only have taken 39 and 93. What about 54? We have to use this value, the value or the number or the digit that we have taken at the end. This value we will take as a divisor and we use this divisor to divide 54. Here 54 divided by which, what is this? It is 3. Why we are doing it? We are checking the question that whether we can divide 54 by 3 or not, or 54 is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 will be equals to 2. We will carry or we will write on 4 here and we know that 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12 and 3 eights are 24. It means 54 is also divisible by 3 or we can say that 3 is a HCF. What is 3? Hence HCF is equals to 3. Why HCF is equals to 3? Because 3 is a number which has been divided the whole question completely. We are not having any remainder at the end. Okay. So this is a method. It is your revision of exercise number 1 2b. in which we have studied two methods of finding HCF. HCF is what? HCF stands for highest common factor. Okay, same as we are having another term which is LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. LCM stands for least common multiple. Okay, so we had studied two methods, prime factorization or division method. All the questions, all the parts will be done in the same way. You have to do the revision, okay, and you have to do the practice of your work. Till the next class, Allah Hafiz.